Well,
Anyway.
being outside, you hear...
It's good for your self-esteem.
Yeah. Being outside, you can hear the sounds of birds. In a lot of places, you may not hear birds in the inner city. But maybe in the country or urban, certain places you do hear birds. Other places more. Bird songs or hearing birds, a variety of positive effects on the individual, reducing stress, involving improving your mood, enhancing mental well-being, can all benefit from the sound of birds.
Absolutely. Yes. And then it's also good for your overall physical health, which is also good for your heart. Calm
and tranquility.
Yes. So it's good for your blood pressure because over time, using your muscles, moving your body, etc., helps work your heart. And then it also, because of the calm
in moderation.
Right.
In moderation.
And obviously you want to consult a medical professional if you're going to go from being a very sedentary person to
run a 100-mile marathon. Yeah.
Please don't do that.
There are people that run 100-mile races. They literally
I know,
run 100
but I'm saying
mile.
that they train for them.
They
don't
train
just
for
wake up one day and be like, I'm just going to...
Regardless if you train or not, hey, I'm going to run from here to fill in the blank. It's 100 miles. There's this race. That is a heck of a commitment and dedication to one's mental ability.
I think they're called ultramarathons.
It's just incredible.
I can't believe it.
We have a hard time driving 100 miles without somebody having to stop to go to the bathroom.
Well, they stop and use the bathrooms. Yeah. Anyway, so...
Positive things about the garden outside of the produce.
Yeah, it makes you happy. It has this...
Gardening reduces stress.
Bacteria.
Yeah,